If your MDX is making the whining noise, comes and go, that means your rear blower motor is bad. Stay tuned. 2003, 2004, and many more. Acura MDX rear blower motor. So, where is located? It's located right on the passenger side panel. So, in order to get to it, you gotta pull this little carpet panel off. It's just held by a couple clips. Once you have that out, there's gonna be 3 screws holding it with. It's gonna have a cover up there like that, and it's gonna have 3 screws like this. One on the top, and it's like that. One on the top, one on the bottom, and one on the side. Those are T2. So the cover will come off first, and then you're gonna wiggle this out, and it's gonna come right out. Now, here's the part number for the new one. 25? T25, my mistake. For the screw. You can also get it out with a flathead. It's a T25. So here's the part number. I'm sure you can buy this cheaper online. This thing costs $130 at the auto part. So, but I'm sure. Yeah, 100. Yep, $140. So now I'm gonna that was from this. I'm gonna pose what was this thing making, the whining noise, and then you know what happened or where you gotta look for it. If your car is making that whining noise that comes and goes, that's gonna be a fix right there. It also has another motor over here. Where's the light? But that's for this one right here. We already replaced that. And that didn't fix the whining noise. So this one is your problem. Alright, so let me just explain a little bit. So, when you want to take it out, there's a tap on this side, on the left side. I don't know if you can see that right there with my finger. You gotta lift this up and then you twist it. You twist it, and then you work your way out. Okay, wow. Carpet's holding me. The carpet. Carpet is getting stuck on the carpet, but eventually it's gonna come out. Alright, so we're gonna go back in now. Let's put it in. Just put it in the hole. Now I got it lined up. Where's my long ear? It's on this side, so I gotta bring that over. There. Oh, right. So yeah, so you can just unbolt it down and out there, because it has a stop right there. So we can put the 3 screws, one on the bottom, one up there, one on the top. So you don't need to take nothing else out. I mean, you don't have to take these off. since there was no video and I don't like searching for stuff. I like to do it on my own. That's why I start stripping the car. So you don't have to remove that. You don't have to remove nothing on the top. It's just the lower carpet thing. That's all you need to remove. Alright, I hope this video helps someone. Please like and share and subscribe. See you. Here I got the master mechanic. That's the little panel. Alright, so look what's going on here. This will tell you that this thing is burnt out. Look all the crap coming out of the motor. That's why we got the whining. We got air now. Quiet. Nice and quiet.